What is the difference between dugong and manatee? Have you ever wondered about the fascinating creatures of the ocean, particularly the dugong and the manatee? While they may look similar, these two marine mammals have some key differences that set them apart. Let's take a closer look at what makes each of them unique. First, let's talk about their physical features. One of the most noticeable differences is in their tails. Dugongs have a fluke tail, which is horizontally flattened and has two lobes, much like dolphins or whales. This tail shape allows dugongs to swim with strong up and down motions, making them quite agile. On the other hand, manatees have a rounded, paddle-shaped tail that resembles a beaver's tail. This design means manatees move more slowly and with less agility than dugongs. Next, we have their snouts. Dugongs possess a short, broad, downward-facing snout with a cleft upper lip. This unique shape is perfect for grazing on seagrass found on the ocean floor. In contrast, manatees have shorter and more flexible snouts, which help them feed on plants that grow at or near the water surface. When it comes to nostrils, dugongs have theirs positioned further back on their heads. These nostrils function like valves, opening when they surface for air and closing when they are underwater. Manatees have nostrils placed differently, but they also have adaptations that allow them to breathe efficiently at the surface. Now, let's talk about size. Manatees generally grow larger and heavier than dugongs. An average manatee can reach about 11 feet in length and weigh between 880 to 1,210 pounds. Dugongs, on the other hand, average around 9.8 feet long and weigh between 551 and 1,984 pounds, with females usually being larger than males. Habitat is another area where these two differ. Dugongs are strictly marine animals, living in shallow, sheltered coastal waters where seagrass beds are plentiful. They do not enter freshwater environments. Manatees, however, are more adaptable and can thrive in both freshwater and saltwater habitats, including rivers, estuaries, and coastal areas. Both dugongs and manatees have gray skin that may take on a brown or green hue due to algae growth. Interestingly, neither species has dorsal fins, and their eyes have a similar appearance. In summary, while dugongs and manatees share some similarities as marine mammals, their differences in tail shape, snout design, size, and habitat preferences highlight their unique adaptations to their environments. Understanding these distinctions helps us appreciate the diversity of marine life and the importance of protecting these gentle giants of the sea.